Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So SEBI's last year recruitment cycle is now over and it's correct time to kickstart your preparation for the next recruitment cycle. अगर हम ये मान भी लें कि सेबी ग्रेड ए नेक्स्ट ईयर की जनवरी फरवरी के अराउंड भी आता है, फिर भी हमारे पास 10 महीने हैं और सेबी का सिलेबस जितना बड़ा है 10 महीने सफिशेंट टाइम है. इससे अगर आप लेट करते हो तो आप चूक जाओगे सिलेक्शन में, बिकॉज बाय दिस टाइम सीरियस एस्पिरेंट्स वुड हैव स्टार्टेड देयर प्रिपरेशन. तो आज की वीडियो में हम इसी बारे में बात करने वाले हैं कि सेबी ग्रेड ए की सैलरी क्या है, एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है, एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न क्या है, सिलेबस क्या है, कैसे आपको प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू move ahead with the preparation. We are going to talk about each and every aspect of this examination, right? So ready about this? Okay. But before moving ahead, I want to tell you that we have this complete or comprehensive guide to SEBI Grade A Assistant Manager, and this is the free guidebook we are providing you, and the link of this guidebook is given to you in the description box. In this guidebook, you will know each and everything about the SEBI organization. In fact, you will get the PYQs as well, the solved PYQs of all the years for which SEBI has conducted the examination till now. So that's a very good source. You are getting it for the free. So download the ebook now, and the link is given in the description box. Okay, let's move ahead with the agenda of the class. So first of all, we are going to talk about the salary part of the सेबी असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. सेबी अच्छी खासी सैलरी पे करता है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को. एंड वाई एम सेइंग दिस, लेट्स लुक एट द प्रीवियस ईयर नोटिफिकेशन एंड लेट्स लुक एट द पे टाइटल. इट सेज you have got so many allowances as well, and including these allowances, presently the minimum salary is 1,55,000 per month. That makes it yearly around 18,60,000. And mind you, I'm not even adding the extra benefits right now. If you add the monetary benefits as well, if you add the monetary value of these benefits, it will go above 20 lakh per annum, and it's a very good and handsome salary. ठीक है. और अगर अभी हम सिलेबस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपको प्रिपरेशन के लिए 6 से 10 महीने तो चाहिए, मतलब इंक्लूडिंग द रिवीजन. प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए 6 महीने से 8 महीने और 2 महीने आपको रिवीजन के लिए चाहिए. वी विल गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस एज वेल. तो ये है बात हमारी सैलरी की. गुड सैलरी दे आर पेइंग यू, एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक एकोमोडेशन एज वेल, देन ऑल्सो द मिनिमम सैलरी इज 1,16,500, एंड दिस 1,55,000 per month minimum is without accommodation, but excluding the benefits. Including the benefits, it will go around 20 lakhs per annum. It will go about 20 lakhs per annum actually. ठीक है, क्लियर. तो सैलरी अच्छी खासी है, आपको तैयारी शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. वन ऑफ द मोटिवेटर्स. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एलिजिबिलिटी नाउ, कि क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है इस एग्जाम की. सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द एज लिमिट. सो यू शुड नॉट एक्सीड द 30 years of age as on the date of the last date of application फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. मतलब कि लास्ट ईयर 31 मार्च था, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इस बार भी 31 मार्च ही हो सकता है कि फरवरी में आ जाए या जनवरी में आ जाए अगले साल, ठीक है, या इस साल भी कभी आ जाए, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर कभी भी आ जाए. तो जो लास्ट डे ऑफ अप्लाई करना की होती है ना, लास्ट डे ऑफ एप्लीकेशन होती है, वो डे को आपकी जो एज है वो 30 से ऊपर नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो यू शुड नॉट एक्सीड 30 years of age, ठीक है. एंड वी हैव द रिलैक्सेशन एज वेल फॉर द कैंडिडेट्स belonging to SC and STs. So up to 5 years relaxation is given to them, right? And other backward class relaxation is given up to maximum of 3 years. बात समझ में आ गई. यह है आपकी एज लिमिट. अब बात करते हैं एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन की. सो फॉर द जर्नलिस्ट पोस्ट, this year recruitment, that is 2024 year recruitment, has got good number of vacancies, that is 62, and the qualification were master degree or the post graduate diploma, minimum of 2 years. ठीक है, that this is also counted under the master's degree as per the qualification for the SEBI journalist stream. ठीक है. इसके अलावा even if you are bachelor degree in law, then also you are eligible. Even if you are bachelor's degree in engineering, तो अगर आपने बीटेक किया है, even if you are not masters, then also you are eligible. engineers तो हर जगह आ ही जाते हैं. And वन मोर एलिजिबिलिटी इज देयर कि इफ़ यू आर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और CFA, दैट इज चार्टर्ड फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट, और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी और कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट, देन ऑल्सो यू आर एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है. एंड इवन इफ यू आर अपियरिंग इन द फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ योर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, देन ऑल्सो यू आर एलिजिबल, प्रोवाइडेड कि जब डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन होगा आपका इंटरव्यू या इंटरव्यू के बाद, तब आपके पास रिजल्ट होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो तब भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. गुड न्यूज़. ठीक है, तो दिस वॉज अबाउट दी एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन. तो अगर आप एलिजिबल हैं या फाइनल ईयर में हैं इस टाइम पे, तो आपको ज़रूर तैयारी शुरू कर देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि है इसका अच्छा खासा सिलेबस है. हम बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. चलो बात करते हैं फिर एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एग्जाम पैटर्न. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द फेज 1 एंड द फेज 2 एज वेल. We have 3 phases total: phase 1, phase 2 and the interview stage. Let's talk about the phase 1 first of all. So in the phase 1 we have got 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, and for all the stream paper 1 is common, but we are going to talk about generalist stream only. So in this paper 1 you are going to be asked MCQ questions on the subject of general awareness. Majorly question will be from the financial sector, English language, quantitative quants and your reasoning. Total marks will be 100 and the duration will be 60 minutes, right? And what will be the bifurcation of this paper 1? Let's talk about that as well. See, paper 1, general awareness. In the general awareness you will be asked 20 questions. In the English language 20 question, quantitative aptitude 20 question, test of reasoning 20 question, and the marks will be equally distributed, and each section will carry 25 marks. So equal weightage for all the subjects: English, quants, reasoning and your GA. Cool. Total 80 question and overall marks 100 marks. That means each question is going to carry 1.25 marks. Let me write it down for you. Correct? You will have the negative marking obviously, and the total duration you will get is 60 minutes, and the pre-cutoff is also given to you, that is 30%. You need to score at least 30% to get into the next stage, provided overall cutoff, aggregate cutoff of phase 1 is 40%. दैट मीन्स पेपर 1 और पेपर 2 को मिला करके आपकी एग्रीगेट कट ऑफ 40% होनी चाहिए फेस 1 में, भले ही पेपर 1 में आपने 30% के ऊपर स्कोर किया हो. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब है ऑब्वियसली पेपर 2 में आपको ज़्यादा स्कोर करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलो पेपर 2 की बात करते हैं. सो इन दी पेपर 2 अगेन यू विल हैव दी MCQs ऑन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी. यू कैन काउंट इट एज वन सब्जेक्ट: मैनेजमेंट, फाइनेंस, कॉस्टिंग, कंपनीज एक्ट एंड द इकोनॉमिक्स. Again you will have the 100 marks questions overall, and you will get 40 minutes to complete the questions, right? And the individual cutoff for the paper 2 is 40%. So again, if you exceed this cutoff limit in the paper 2, and also the aggregate cutoff is 40%, again if you exceeded the aggregate cutoff as well and individual cutoff as well, you will clear the phase 1 and you will enter into the phase 2 stage. तो बहुत आसान है phase 1 एग्जामिनेशन. आपको ओवरऑल 40% मार्क्स लाने हैं बस. बात समझ में आती है? पेपर 1 में 30% आने चाहिए कम से कम इंडिविजुअली, पेपर 2 में 40% आने चाहिए, एंड ओवरऑल यू शुड गेट एटलीस्ट 40%. ठीक है, चलो पेपर 2 में how many questions you will see? You will see 50 questions and overall timing will be 40 minutes, and each question is going to carry 2 marks. That means maximum marks will be 100 of maximum marks will be 100. ठीक है, okay. So phase 1, is it really tough? Not really. Why I'm saying so? Because questions are easy, and also you have individual cutoffs and you have aggregate cutoff as well. It is only qualifying in nature, so that's why I'm saying it is not difficult, because you just need to score on aggregate, you just need to score 40% marks. ठीक है, and negative marking is there, that is 1/4 of assigned marks, that is 1/4 of 1.25 marks will be a negative marking if you attempted the question incorrectly. Cool. Okay, what about the pattern of phase 2? Now phase 2 has got again 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is of English descriptive, and it is going to test your drafting skills. Maximum marks will be 100. It will carry 3 questions: essay, précis, and your reading comprehension as well. We will talk about that. Total duration you will get 30 minutes, and the individual cutoff is given to you, but don't look at this cutoff. Why I am saying so? Because phase 2 merit based होता है. अगर आपने ये cutoff clear कर भी ली, बट आप अगर टॉप कैंडिडेट्स में नहीं हो इंटरव्यू में वैकेंसी का 3 टाइम्स कॉल किया जाएगा। आपने ये कट ऑफ क्लियर कर भी ली 30%, 40%, 40% ओवरऑल, फिर भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि टॉप के कैंडिडेट्स को ही कॉल आउट किया जाएगा। मान लो अगर वैकेंसी 60 है, सो टॉप 180 कैंडिडेट्स को 3 टाइम्स दी वैकेंसी विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर द इंटरव्यू। तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि अगर आप ये इंडिविजुअल कट ऑफ जो यहाँ लिखी हुई है इसको क्रॉस कर दोगे तो आपको इंटरव्यू में कॉल आ जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है। तो दिस कट ऑफ इज इररिलेवेंट इन द फेज 2। यू हैव टू स्कोर मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, दैट यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड। ठीक है, हाँ, वेटेज आपको ध्यान रखना है कि 1/3 वेटेज, 1/3 का मतलब 33.33% वेटेज पेपर 1 का है, और पेपर 2 का वेटेज 2/3 है, मतलब 66.66%। मतलब पेपर 2 की अहमियत, द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ पेपर 2 इज मोर दैन दैट ऑफ पेपर 1, because it has high weightage, and you will have 90 minutes to do the questions in the paper 2 as well. Maximum marks will be 100. So how many questions will be there in the paper 2? In the paper 2 you will have 100 questions. You will have 100 questions. That means each question is going to carry 1 mark, and you will get 90 minutes to do all the 100 questions. ठीक है, weightage is 2/3. In the English descriptive you will have essay, Pressy and the reading comprehension. Essay will carry 30 marks, Pressy writing will carry 30 marks, reading comprehension will carry 40 marks. ठीक है, cool, and the weightage will be 1/3. We are not going to talk about other stream, we are just concerned with the journalist stream. Clear about the pattern? Easy enough? Okay. Now in the interview, whatever are the vacancies, the 3 times of the number of vacancies will be shortlisted for the interview, and they will be called for the interview. So that's why I have told in the previous slide, these individual cutoff in the phase 2 are not relevant, because you have to get into the top candidates list to get called for the interview, right? Okay. Now interviews weightage will be 15%, and phase 2 weightage will be 85% overall after the interview. So whatever marks you are going to get in the phase 2, that will be converted into 85%, and the marks of 15% marks will be there for the interview stage. Then the merit list will be declared. So top candidates will be selected for the job. So are you clear about the pattern? Easy enough. Phase 1, phase 2 and interview. Phase 1 is qualifying, but phase 2 and interview is merit based. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं सिलेबस और स्ट्रैटेजी की। भैया प्रिपेयर करोगे कैसे आप? हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दिस होल सिलेबस? तो सिलेबस को पता करने के लिए आपके पास सिलेबस होना चाहिए और पीवाईक्यू होने चाहिए। क्यों? ऑफिशियल सिलेबस और पीवाईक्यू क्यों? सिर्फ सिलेबस से काम क्यों नहीं चलेगा? बिकॉज वी हैव सीन दैट इन द सेबी एग्जामिनेशन they have asked many questions from the topics that are not explicitly written in the official syllabus. That's why. तो आपको सिलेबस भी होना चाहिए, आपका पीवाईक्यू भी होना चाहिए, फिर पीवाईक्यू से आपको वो टॉपिक सेलेक्ट करने पड़ेंगे that has not been asked, that has been asked even if they are not in the syllabus. So from the PYQs you have to select the topics which are not explicitly written in the official syllabus, but still they are coming in the examination. Then you have to prepare all the syllabus. But don't worry, I have done this for you. आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सिलेबस पूरा नहीं निकालना है, डिटेल सिलेबस आपको नहीं निकालना है, वो मैं आपके लिए ले आया हूँ। गुड न्यूज़। ठीक है, सो इन द पेपर 2 वी हैव दीज 6 सब्जेक्ट्स। अब नेक्स्ट 6 से 8 महीने में आप कैसे प्रिपेयर करने वाले हो इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट 6 to 8 months विल बी वेरी क्रूशल। आई एम टेकिंग द टाइम ऑफ 6 months कि आपको 6 महीने में प्रिपेयर करना है, क्योंकि 2 से 2.5 महीने तो आपको लगेंगे रिवीजन करने में भी। ठीक है, सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग कि पेपर 2 के लिए आप, क्योंकि पेपर 2 दोनों में कॉमन है, रिमेंबर, पेपर 2 फेज 1 में और पेपर 2 फेज 2 में कॉमन है। सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग कि यू आर डिवोटिंग एटलीस्ट 2 hours पर डे फॉर द पेपर 2। इतना काफ़ी है आपको अभी के स्टेज के हिसाब से। अगर आपने लेट किया तो आपको और देना पड़ेगा। एंड फॉर द पेपर 1 यू आर डिवोटिंग एटलीस्ट 1 hour पर डे, सो दैट विल बी सफिशिएंट फॉर यू टू कवर ऑल द पेपर 1 एंड द पेपर 2। ठीक है, ये आपका क्राइटेरिया है। टोटल टाइम will be 6 months. So you have got 6 subjects. So mota moti broadly you are going to cover one subject in 1 month broadly. And if you are taking 2 subjects each day, then you are going to cover 2 subjects in 2 months. ठीक है, मतलब 50% of syllabus will be covered within 1 month if you are taking 2 subjects simultaneously. बट एक ही सब्जेक्ट लेना, क्योंकि 2 घंटा पढ़ लो आप, तो एक ही सब्जेक्ट लेना एक टाइम पे। ठीक है, चलो बात करते हैं कैसे कवर होगा और सिलेबस के बारे में बात करते हैं। ये तो कॉम्पोनेंट्स है ना, डिटेल सिलेबस के बारे में बात करते हैं। सो दिस इज द सिलेबस फॉर द कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंट्स। लुक एट दिस सिलेबस नाउ। इंट्रोडक्शन टू अकाउंटिंग theory base of accounting, recording transaction, trial balance, income statement and balance sheet, the basic part. Now the company accounts, that is preparation of company accounts. This is the I would say big chapter. So it has been converted into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Then you have financial statement analysis, and it includes your ratio analysis, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, right? Then you have accounting for share capital, accounting for bonus shares, accounting for ESOP, buyback, right issue, introduction to accounting standard for PPE, accounting standard for inventory, accounting standard for revenue recognition, accounting standard for investment and foreign exchange transactions. So syllabus is not very small. It is quite lengthy. So that's why I'm telling you, okay, you should start your preparation right now if you want to get selected in the SEBI organization. Okay? So this was about the commerce and accounts syllabus. And you're going to devote 2 hours, and I will show you how to prepare all this syllabus within 2 hours per day. If you're devoting 2 hours per day, how to prepare this syllabus within 6 months, 6 to 8 months. Okay, we will talk about that. Okay, now let's talk about the management part. So management में क्या क्या syllabus है? Motivation है, communication है, leadership है, general management है, HRD है आपका. तो ये syllabus है किसका? Management का. Now in the finance we have bonds, derivatives, forwards, futures, swaps, options, primary and secondary, equity market, debt market, forex market, financial risk management, direct and indirect taxes, banking and financial system of India, function of RBI, financial institution, public private partnership, alternative source of finance, mutual fund, FRBM, inflation, financial inclusion, and the finance commission. Again, huge syllabus. Then comes the economics. You have got demand and supply and elasticity of demand, market structure, that is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic, then market structure again, oligopoly, and national income you have in the syllabus, classical and Keynesian approach for determination of output and employment, consumption function, investment function, multiplier and accelerator, demand and supply of money, ISLM curve, inflation, Phillips curve, business cycle, fiscal policy, monetary policy, balance of payment and NBFC. So as you can see, you have got good syllabus for economics as well. Costing, you have got introduction to cost and management accounting, material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, activity based costing, output costing, these are the methods of costing, job and batch costing, contract costing, process and operation costing, joint and by-product costing, service costing, marginal costing, standard costing, budgetary control, lean system and innovation. For the company law, you have got few chapters from the whole Companies Act, that is chapter 3rd, chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chapter 8, chapter 10, chapter 11, chapter 12, and you have got 5, 6, 7, 20, chapter number 27, that is NCLT and NCLAT. So these many chapters you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Overall 7 chapters from the company law. Cool. So this is the syllabus for the paper 2, overall syllabus. Now how you are going to prepare this? Let me tell you how you are going to devote 2 hours per day and still will be able to prepare this huge syllabus within 6 months, within 6 to 8 months. Let me tell you. Let me take you to the website for this. Go to the Google, type the EduTap, then you will see this website. Click on courses, hover on courses, then you will have SEBI grade A courses. Now I will show you the interface as well, don't worry about that. So you have got gold course, silver course. What is the difference between these two courses? See, in the gold course you will have the videos, concept classes, notes, summary sheets, everything about the phase 1, that is paper 1 as well and paper 2 as well. But in the silver course you have got the subject of paper 2. So if you are comfortable with the QRE and GA section, go for the silver course, and if not, if you have to prepare the paper 1 and as well as the paper 2, then go for the gold course. You can download the brochure, check how the syllabus is getting covered, what you will get. You can check out the brochure as well. Okay? Click on the brochure, you will get the brochure as well. Okay? This is the brochure. Fine. Okay. Now do apply this flat 70% off, weekend code apply, and then you can check out the course. Okay? You can also check the trial version as well. Okay, after buying the course or even without buying the course, you can check the course. Inside the course you will have this interface. Now how you are going to cover all the syllabus within 6 to 8 months? Let me tell you that. So once you enter the course, you will have these different courses like for quants, reasoning, English, Companies Act, and economic static videos and other subjects like finance and management, costing and commerce and accounts. Let's click on commerce and accounts. ठीक है, this is the commerce and accounts. Okay, then see, you can see all the chapters here. Chapter 1, introduction to accounting. Click on that. You will have the videos first of all, concept class part 1, part 2. So whatever you can cover within 2 hours, just do that. Concept class 1, concept class 2, and whatever time is left, read the concept notes. And you have the summary sheets as well. That is downloadable summary sheets. So you can revise it better in a better manner. ठीक है? Highlight that, underline that, it's totally your wish. ठीक है? So you can do that. अच्छा, ये प्राइस समझ जाना, 26,000 प्राइस नहीं होगा अगर आप कूपन कोड लगाओगे तो. So that's how each day, if you are going to devote 2 hours, the whole syllabus is going to get completed within 6 to 8 months. Then rest of the time you are going to devote for the revision. And apart from the paper 2, also 1 hour you have to devote at least for the paper 1. So similarly, we have the when you click on the back button, you will see the course of the quant as well. Click on the quant section and you will have the videos and the notes for the quants. You can check out that as well. ठीक है, in 1 hour. Whatever time you are getting for this, cover whatever you can, then on the next day cover the rest of the things. So in this way, by overall devoting 3 hours per day, you can easily cover this huge syllabus within 6 to 8 hours, and whatever time is left you will devote to the revision part. Clear everyone? Clear है बात? ऐसे आपको प्रिपेयर करना है और ऐसे आपको कोर्स की हेल्प लेनी है. तो कोर्स शुरू में खरीदने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. शुरू में आपको ट्रायल मिल रखे हैं, आराम से देखो. 1-1 घंटा दो घंटा 3-3 घंटा रोज़ दो. अगर आप 2 घंटा दे रहे हो तो पेपर 2 में फोकस करो. अगर 3 घंटा दे रहे हो तो पेपर 1 भी और पेपर 2 दोनों लगाओ अच्छे से. ठीक है? Okay, so that's all for today. We have talked about enough for your SEBI preparation. I hope आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने वाले हो. अब हम मिलेंगे किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय. थैंक यू एवरीवन. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन.